Hi everyone, in today's session we will discuss on how to create a lollipop chart in Tableau. I know the name sounds very intriguing and delicious, but yeah, I would definitely assure you that even the chart looks very beautiful. Okay, so let's start. So for creating a lollipop chart, usually we need at least one dimension and one measure value. So what I will do for dimension, I will drag a region into the columns and sales into the rows. Okay, so now as you can see, as soon as I dragged sales into the rows, by default a bar chart got created. Right now, a lollipop chart is basically a kind of dual axis chart. Okay, where uh, one measure we kind of arrange as a bar chart, and one measure we arrange kind of a, like, a circular chart. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. So the next step is drag the same measure again into the rows. Now create a dual axis chart. Okay, now as you know, when we create a dual axis chart, one of the very important step is to synchronize the axis, right? And I have mentioned it in my previous videos, you can watch that. So now next step is synchronize the axis. Okay, so now you can see this chart has been created with sales on both the side, and all you see is this, these four circles over here, right? Okay, so now the magic will start. Now go to the second sales over here, and instead of selecting this circle, select a bar chart. Okay, so now you can see there is one is circular and one is this bar chart. Okay, now the next step is go to the size and reduce the size of this bar chart. Okay, so now you can see this lollipop chart is almost done, right? Okay, so next step is I will remove these x's from here. Okay, and let's do it fix with, because it's looking very congested, right? I think I will again have to go to the size of the bar and reduce it further. I will increase the size of this circle to make the lollipops bigger. Right? Yeah, now it's looking much better. So yeah, so that's it. Your lollipop chart is done. Definitely we will need some mark labels on this, right? So let's go to show mark label, check that option, and definitely you have to go to this alignment and set at the top alignment. Okay, so that the total comes on top of the lollipop, not on the bottom of the circle. Okay, so that's it. If you want, you can play around with the colors and everything, and it will look more, funkier and better. But just to mention the, the stepwise how to create a lollipop chart, this is how we do that in Tableau. Thank you.